Oops, Revit did it again. Errors pop up at the worst times, but don't worry. Here's your ultimate cheat sheet to the top 10 Revit errors and how to resolve them like a pro. In this video, we'll address a common Revit issue that occurs during launch or when opening a project. You may see an error report stating, "A software problem has caused Revit to close unexpectedly." Don't panic. This is Revit's way of saying something is clogged. So, why did this happen? Revit doesn't crash for no reason. It's usually one of these four culprits. 1. Add-in conflicts. Third-party tools can clash with Revit's core code or each other, causing an instant shutdown. 2. Corrupt families. A single, broken, element or a buggy RFA file can act like a digital landmine when Revit tries to render it. 3. Outdated graphics drivers. If your GPU and Revit aren't speaking the same language, the visual engine simply gives up. And 4. Insufficient resources. If you run out of RAM or disk space during a heavy task, Revit has no choice but to close. It's never just a crash. It's the fallout that follows. Lost work. If you haven't synced recently, minutes or hours of complex modeling are just gone. Delayed deadlines. These errors always seem to strike right before a deadline, turning a smooth submission into a tech support nightmare. And the stress, the save paranoia, and the pressure of a stalled project affect the whole team's morale. Time is money, and your deadlines don't wait. Let's get your Revit stable again so you can get back to designing. Ready to stop the crashes? Go through this 6-step stability checklist. 1. Install all pending Windows updates. 2. Give your system a fresh start with a full computer restart. 3. Use Autodesk Access to install the latest updates and hotfixes for your Revit version. Never skip these patches. 4. Disable your add-ons. If Revit stops crashing, you've found the conflict. 5. If it's still broken, test a new Windows user account to rule out profile corruption. And 6. Check your hard drive. You need at least 30 gigabytes of free space for Revit to breathe. A clean system is a stable system. Follow these steps and get back to your project. Remember, error-free Revit, stress-free workflow. By following this checklist, you aren't just fixing a crash, you're securing an error-free Revit environment and a stress-free workflow. No more lost work, no more missed deadlines, just pure, uninterrupted design. If these steps saved your project today, hit that like button and subscribe for more Revit survival tips. See you in the next one.